Welcome friends. If you want to modify the object properties of a class, you can modify it. So how it is possible to modify the properties or object properties of a class? Here modification means you can update or add new value to that particular property. Okay, so when here I am give this example here, this example 234 and 40 both property which are assigned to the data to the properties. Okay, employee ID, employee name is assigned to this reference dot employee ID, reference dot employee name. But you can want have to modify that property, you can modify it. How it is possible? This is possible. Your next step, you have to write e dot name equal to equal to welcome. Okay, now when you're going to print e dot name and it returns welcome. Okay, it returns welcome. How it is possible? It returns generally qwerty. It returns mostly qwerty, but here I update the property. Here here I update object property. Here I update object property. Understood? How it is going to be update the property if you want in a latter case after work is complete, and then after latter case you have to interested to update that property, you can update it. Means you can add new value to that property. That's a means you can add new value to that property. That is called the update of a property. Okay, understand? So you can modify properties on object like this. Okay, how it is possible? Now here the possible ways is like this. Fine, you can modify the object like this. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. And if you like this video, please share this video link to your friends. Okay, thank you.